Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you different colors of this wig which I made for a client. So this video is all about review, showing you the wigs I made for a client who is selling. So guys, the reason why I'm showing you this is because I believe that you are going to see one that you like. You may order from me, or you decided to make one for yourself. So guys, this review is to show you all the wigs and how to wear them, how to trim your afro wigs, your front down afro wig, and how to arrange them. So guys, remember to support your girl. Remember to share this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so right now, and turn on the notification bell as well. And I want to beg you guys that whenever you watch my video, do share it. And when you share it, you are kind of supporting your girl. So share the video so that others can watch as well. So this is another color of the wig. The first one, I made it using a Darling products. This gold from Expression products, Expression Kinky, which is series. Which one among the two is the best for you? Do drop a comment in the comment section and let me know the one that you prefer the most. So look at the fitting now, guys. I love this wig. It's so unique and classy. I can't wait, to make one for myself. If you want to buy any of my wigs, I'll be leaving a number in the description box. Use the number and reach out to me. And again, we ship all over the world, so getting it is not a problem. So guys, enjoy the rest of this video.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Feel like getting out, I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, take make